Okay, now we're going to talk about the guidelines for the Genogram, ecomap, and care plan assignment. It is like a three-part assignment. We're going to talk in depth during 4430 didactic course about genograms and ecomaps, but those of you who are in community first rotation will need to have this information before we get to it in lecture. So here's your guidelines. This is another one of those assignments you can do before you get into clinical, really clinical. You're probably not going to have time to do it. So you can ask someone who's not a family member or a healthcare provider. Those are my two stipulations to interview. So you can expect someone, it'd take 45 minutes or so to interview. So just keep that in mind when you ask them to take some time and do this for you. But what you're going to do is you're going to get the information that you need from them to develop this genogram, ecomap, and a family care plan. And then once you get those done, you will submit those, and I'll go over those here in just a few moments a little bit more in detail. Normally I do this on the board in front of everyone, but this is a new way of doing everything this semester, so we'll go from here. There are some instructions in your textbook. I've got those pages listed here that you can also refer to. But you're going to do a genogram, and a genogram is a visual depiction of a 3-generation family health history. Okay, and I'm going to show you an example here shortly of how to do one. And it just enables a public health nurse in particular to look at it in a glance and get an idea of that family structure and that family health history. The ecomap has more to do with the family support systems for the patient, where that family member may feel stress, so that the public health nurse can direct the patient to the correct support systems and get an idea of what support systems there are in order to help a patient manage a disease process. And then the last part of this disease is the care plan, and the care plan is based around the family, not necessarily the individual. Does that mean the individual is not included? No. Of course the individual is included. However, it has more to do with helping the family manage it. So let me go back out here and let me see if I can pull up the example for you. And this example I have used with permission of the student that I had several years ago that did this. And this was one of those super achieving students. So she actually kind of doubled the work that's required for this assignment. But I want to show you her work. And it's in the course for you to review as well. So we'll give it a minute. Oh no, it's not going to show it. It's not. So let me, I will load this as a PDF and come back to